crossing. There's no HOA. You can see some people have put up gates. Tile at the entry, and then carpet. Off to the right, we have the master. So for windows, we're gonna definitely want to replace this vertical with 2.5 inch forward blinds. The cost ranges with the size of the window. A window that size would be about $80. Here's carpet in the bathroom. It's about $5 a square foot to replace, so window number 2. It's a fairly minimal cost. It's not a big expenditure. We'd probably want to put some ceramic tile in here as well. Because it's a 1-story, you don't have to worry about hardy back usually. I think Jenny's calling the carpets. It is a lighter color and it is showing wear in some places like here. I don't know if she'll say it can be shampooed for one tenant turn or not. That's her call. She usually likes the mirrors to be taken down as well. So we're at, although this one might be able to stay because it's above the fireplace. So we're at 4 windows. We have vinyl here in the kitchen. 5, 6, 7 windows. Laminate counters. A little bit of wear in the cabinets. Pretty normal. Let's see what Jenny says about these appliances. There's the pantry. And the laundry room. This is a really large AC unit. We have solar screens. Probably junk this. Wow. One of them more private backyards. I believe that's window number 8. Window number 9, if I'm counting correctly. Again, $5 a square foot. The counters look great. Cabinets look fine to me. To replace the tile. Water fixtures don't look too bad either. And one more window.